hi guys, welcome back. We have reached here. We have reached Abu Dhabi Airport. Yeah, we have reached Abu Dhabi. This is Abu Dhabi ka airport. और बरबेका. Oh yo, they're still there. There. चलो. My bag. ये ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಚಲೋ 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 ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಸಾನ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ಅಬು ಧಾಬಿ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ನಾನು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು, ರೆಡಿನೂ ಅದೇ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆದ್ವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಲಗೇಜು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಲಗೇಜು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮು ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಇನ್ ದಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ 2 o'clock ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ 8:45 AM. ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೂ ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಚಲೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಟೂರ್. ನ್ಯೂ ದುಬೈ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ದುಬೈ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾವು. ನ್ಯೂ ದುಬೈ. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂ ದುಬೈಗೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಟೂರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೈಟ್, ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್. ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. We are in Abu Dhabi guys. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾವ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಎಂಥ ದೋಸೆ. Settle down.
The trip. So whatever doubts you have, you can ask her. She will explain you about UAE, everything. Whatever you want to know about UAE, she will be there to assist you. So welcome you once again to UAE. Have a wonderful stay.
Thank you. Didi. Hello. Hey, Sanko. Oh, my bad. My bad. Yeah. We are all set. Come on, let's go. ಬಾಬ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಅವರು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಬುರ್ಕ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಆಯಿತು ಗಾಯ್ಸ್. ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಮೇಲಂತೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಚಲೋ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್. ಹಾಯ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್. ಚಲೋ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೈಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನೈಸ್. Actually nice. Actually. New Dubai ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, then hotel check in. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಸಿಗೋಣ. Bye.
Of the house building, if you see, there is a tower on the top of the every building, which is called wind tower. the wind tower. What is the purpose of this tower? Not now, but in the past time, these towers in their house when they build, they don't have window, only door. Why they don't have window? This tower will help to miss the prayer time. And today is Friday. That is the very special day for them, and this prayer is very important. That's why most of places the vehicle are on the road everywhere. Only Friday is crowd. That is the beach. The family section is on right hand side, patrolling safeguard since morning 7 o'clock to night 7 o'clock. 6 o'clock during the sunset they will go, but you still allowed to enjoy. There will be lightings all over there. So 1958, first time oil discovered in Abu Dhabi, and 1966 in Dubai. So Abu Dhabi Sheikh is super happy because he said, I have enough oil. But Dubai Sheikh Rashid bin Saeed Al Maktoum, he knows that I don't have oil. So what he did, he visited European country. Why these British people are so intelligent? What is in their country? Let me go and see. When he saw the infrastructure, he came back and he decided to design his Dubai same like European country. And you see all around, this is the road, the longest road, the name is Sheikh Zayed Road. Now we are driving over there, it's 525 kilometers. Alongside the road, there is a metro line. This metro line is open on 9 September 2009. No bajke, no minute pe, no second, no September, no. 99999. That was the inauguration. What is the meaning of this? It's an interesting date, right? But at the same time, what we can know, that whatever they will announce the project date, they will make sure the project will open on the same date, not even the date, even the time. Rather than increase the manpower, double the cost. Now right hand side we are passing by Business Bay. That area is dedicated for the commercial offices. Most of the building is mentioned EMAR, E-M-A-A-R. EMAR is the real estate developer company here, engineering, management and automation research. And now coming on your right hand side, one of the tallest building in the world. The name is Burj Khalifa. Everybody have a look on your right hand side. We are passing by Dubai Mall, Burj Khalifa. 828 meter height, world record. Any country, there are so many countries in the competition to build building taller than this, but not yet succeed. There is two tower behind the museum on right hand side. Emirates Tower 1, Emirates Tower 2. Shri Devi ji ka nidhan isi tower mein hua. She was staying over here. Yes, our Bollywood star, superstar actually. This one outside, the round shaped building. Now there is three finger statue. Something written over this building. Now in Dubai. This is Dubai International Airport. Imagine in 1975, there is only 2 flights.
See, Namma India's flag. Wow.